Reporting2Jasper is an online application that converts Actuate and PowerBuilder reports to the critically acclaimed Jasper platform while reducing cost, minimizing risk, and improving the reporting conversion process. Let's take a closer look at how it works, step by step. Opened here is a sample profit and loss report in Actuate, which we will migrate using the Reporting2Jasper application and then refine the conversion results in Jasper. We have to have the original Actuate report's BAS file as the basis for the conversion. Now I import it into the Reporting2Jasper application. We can see that it was successfully converted. Let's download the resulting JRXML file. Next, I will open it in iReport Designer. We can see that the layout was converted and it looks similar to the Actuate version. First, we have to adapt the report's query, as this is not done by the tool. We will use the Obtain Select Statement section of the original BAS file as the source. I've finished adjusting the query to Jasper. This took approximately 5 minutes. Now we will remove all migrated legacy parameters which are Actuate specific and are not required in Jasper. Now that that's done, let's sort the parameters so that their order matches the prompting. The next step is correcting the field names. This has to be done because Actuate uses aliases for field names, and in Jasper we have to use the real resulting names for the fields. This will take another 5 minutes. After that is done, we can try to preview the report. The report execution has failed because there are errors in the report's expressions. Field names no longer match after they have been regenerated. When the run fails, all the errors collected appear in this window. Variable issues and errors would also appear here. It seems we are done for now. Let's try to preview the report again. We now have a report-generated output from the JRXML. Right away, we can see that the totals underlining is off. Let's compare the output with Actuate's. Looking at the original Actuate output and then back at our JRXML, we can see extra lines. We have to correct these. Also, the overlapping and alignment of fields have to be fixed for them to work properly in Excel export and to visually align well. We have to fix the report's title and headers, as well as totals and the sorting of data and groups. We can correct all of these back in the designer. Having done that, let's check the report's XLS output. Comparing it with the Actuate original, we can see the outputs are identical. There are no hidden or merged cells. Let's compare the PDF output now. We can see that some of the fonts are off because PDF font name property has to be set specifically in JRXML. The page size is A4 and it should be letter size. The side margins are off and there is no page footer on our report either. After making these final fixes, let's run the report again as an Excel output to take a final glance at it and verify that it matches Actuate perfectly. The Excel outputs match precisely. Let's now take a final look at the PDFs. Looking at these, we can now verify that the match is exact and we have successfully migrated the report from Actuate to JRXML using the Reporting2Jasper service. The Reporting2Jasper service is a crucial tool for anyone who has Actuate reports at hand and has to move them to a newer platform. It saves time and money and minimizes errors while migrating.